One of the questions that we get asked almost every single seminar is, will quantum networks replace classical networks? And the answer is clearly no. We will never, ever watch Netflix or do a Zoom call over a quantum network. Instead, quantum networks will be used in conjunction with classical networks. We can understand this a little bit better by looking at what happened on the compute side. Classical computers have been using coprocessors to perform specialized tasks for a very long time already. We have things like graphical processing units or GPUs that are used to offload graphics rendering. We have things like tensor processing units or TPUs that are used to offload machine learning. And we have data processing units or DPUs that are used to offload networking tasks. These coprocessors do not replace general-purpose CPUs. Instead, they augment the CPUs by offloading some very specific specialized tasks. Similarly, quantum processing units, or QPUs, will not replace classical computers either. Just like GPUs and TPUs and DPUs, the quantum processing units will be used to offload very specific tasks that quantum computers happen to be good at. And that includes things like drug discovery, material design, financial simulation, logistics optimizations, cryptanalysis, and things like that. Now, although quantum computers are much better at certain tasks than classical computers, there's plenty of tasks that quantum computers are just horrible at. No one would ever dream of using a quantum computer to edit an Excel spreadsheet or to play a video game. So quantum computers will never replace classical computers. Now, the exact same thing is true for quantum networks. Quantum networks will never replace classical networks. Instead, quantum networks will augment classical networks. There are some very specific applications that quantum networks are very good at, and that includes things like secure communications, but also connecting quantum computers to each other or connecting quantum sensors to each other. Quantum networks are not just better at these applications, some of these applications are simply impossible with classical networks. For example, if you want to build a clustered quantum computer, you cannot use a classical network. It's only possible with a quantum network because you need to transfer quantum states in the form of qubits from one quantum computer to another quantum computer, and this is only possible with a quantum network.